Good morning. So 7 o'clock, we already showered early again, but we slept very good, I think.
I was awake once for a little while.
You were awake for a little while?
Yes.
So the weather is not so perfect, but hey, we are not here. We are not here. We are not here for a holiday. We are here to work. We can only eat breakfast at 9 o'clock, and at 9 o'clock they come with the household. So coffee machine, the beds are going to be made, everything. Oh, knives, forks. And then at 9 o'clock when they are there to clean and to do the household, we're going to come back to eat breakfast and then do some more shops. Shop. Normally, if we are on vacation, I like to do a little shops, but this is going to be too much. Now we're going to go back to the apartment, do some little things, installing the TV, cleaning a little bit, and we have 2 days left. So tomorrow evening, it should be
Already.
like 90%, 95% ready. So let's hope for 95. And this summer we can finish. We are here for 2 weeks and a half, so
But
yeah.
we are far.
We are really far, yeah. Okay. Is there light? Yes, there is light. Oh, look at the mess. Messy. But hey, okay. First that I'm going to do is the TV. So we cleaned a little bit. We take everything out so they can clean better now, but it's all coming together. How beautiful it is. We are very happy. Now it's time for breakfast. I know
Finally.
we didn't film much, but it's now 9 o'clock, so we entered the apartment at 7. So now it's 9. We can eat breakfast. I'm really hungry. First we're going to go to IKEA. So all around the world,
Oh, yes.
we know
now
IKEA.
I know again.
I get my yayas by IKEA. That for the French lovers. So we're going to see what we have for small things in IKEA. And then I don't know. Again, Leroy.
Alweer koloniaal for the vase.
For the what?
For the vase.
Oh, the vase. Oh, she saw a vase that she loves and I cannot get it out of her head. So she has to have the vase.
Some vase.
Some
I
vase.
saw a few.
A few.
Beautiful.
Oh, a few. Okay.
Yeah.
You get one.
I
have to choose.
Yes. I
And
know.
then that's the most difficult one.
There's only space for one. There's only space for one. I know.
Okay. This smells really good. But I think it's wheat. It's not a normal plant or just, I think it's wheat, but it smells really good. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
It's
Good.
good. I'm waiting for my eggs. My eggs. No eggs for you?
Yes, I take another egg.
Oh, you take with the... How do you say that in English?
I don't know.
Okay, first shop of the day. Conforama. I don't know what. It's not open yet. What time is it now?
The shop and next parking.
Shop next parking. Okay. It's down there. It's on the other side. Okay. Wrong side.
Nice things.
Shop number 2. This is very difficult to find these details. All bathrooms, but no details. Normally all the details are for hanging on the wall and we don't want to drill any holes. You never know when you want to change it. You want to have something on the ground. Next one. And the next one. And as the moment that we enter, we are like, it will not be here. You never know. As expected. Nope. And the next one. store that we were here 2 days ago, just 2 minutes before they closed. So now we're going to take a closer look. And then Leroy is very close hereby. That should be enough for today. I'm tired and I have to work. I have to hang up all the things on the wall. So let's say it was fun for a day or two, but now it's done. Last year I saw this leaves in a pot. And I was thinking, okay, 2 or 3 to put in a corner, but this is the last one. Bad luck. Nope. It's getting on my nerves. It's really getting on my nerves. My wife is smiling, so it must be beautiful. Let's see. So this is for the bedroom, not for our bedroom, but for maybe the kids' bedroom. So this is also cool for in our bedroom on the other side.
Yes.
Will it fit our car?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. It fits like that or not?
No.
No?
No. I'm not gonna break it, you know.
Yes. Perfect. That one. Whoppa!
Ka-chang!
If you see the entrance of this shop, you would not guess that it's really beautiful furniture and decorations here. It's really our style, like the Bali, Boho, Ibiza style. You have a lot of nice furniture here. So if you pass here, you would say, what's that? Beautiful. Okay, check. Knowing that this could be bought the first day.
Yes. I didn't like them and
And still don't like them.
it's better now because I've had it. I'm done.
These for next to the toilet.
I like this.
First we need comfort food. This is going to be the meal for this afternoon. Comfort. Okay.
This is
You have Big Mac. I have McChicken.
chicken.
And then nuggets, fries, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. You have ketchup. Okay. So we also have these patches. So if we open the door, then it slides through this column. So it will hurt our aluminium. So we're going to put a patch so the bump is less damaging. I don't know, it's not the prettiest thing, but if it's damaged, it will cost a lot of money. So everywhere we can, we will put such a patch just to protect.
Viviana was here. She doesn't like Jürgen with a hammer.
She says, "What are you doing with the hammer? Be careful." I was like, "Of course." It all starts coming together. Not much to do now. Decoration on the table is ready. Decoration on the kitchen. We have the decoration here above the bed. This is my favorite. Just because what we went through to get that here. but it was really nerve-wracking to get that straight. Now we have to hang that one, but we have to go to the store for other things. Then we have this extra from today is also ready. Look at the plates my wife chose to put on the beds. So we have the leaves above the beds and then again the leaves on the other side. So it's coming back but in different colors. So this is also very beautiful. This is really a nice touch. A nice touch. It's all going to be okay. And then this room has different plates but equally beautiful. And then the circles on the wall. We're going to search. It's not going to be for this week, I think, for something on the other side. Is it necessary? No. There is something. So if we find something beautiful, we will buy it. So we have the toilet paper and brush accessory. So the trash bin. It's all coming together. We have bought also this extra in black. We have a dishwasher, of course. But if you're quickly going to wash something in the washing base, you can put it here. So the forks and then some sponge dispenser, all in black because the counter is black, everything is black. There should be 4 more from each set. So we have the plates, we have the cups, glasses, wine glasses we need extra. I don't drink alcohol, but there are people who like wine, so
You can drink a smoothie,
can drink a smoothie also.
a
Yeah.
mocktail
Yes.
in a nice glass.
Yes. So we need to have that extra. Something I'm very proud of. If I travel, you know that I always make a lot of preparations, what to visit, but not everybody has or the time or the need of doing that, or they don't know how to do it. I created a book, Everything You Can Do Around Villajoyosa. So there are 70 trips, day trips. Sometimes it's just half a day, sometimes it's a full day. I think it's really cool. It's a nice book. Look, all the markets. It's really nice with the pictures and all in English. So what you can see, and on top you can see how many kilometers there is, how much time, a lot of information about the tram. We have here information about the tram. Every coast town you can visit with the tram, and then a lot of information about Villajoyosa himself. And then as extra for people like us who wants the hike, we have a hike book. It's not so big yet, so this will grow. Every time we come, we will do different kinds, and people can add. If they do something, they can write us and they can add. It says how is the level, easy, medium or hard, the kilometers, if it's a loop or not, and how long it's driving to that hike. And every time there's a link of our commode where you can do it digitally on your phone or on your smartwatch or hike watch. A lot of nice hikes. Look, these are 2 books I'm really proud of. So if you come in this apartment, then you have this book of all the activities that you can do around. So 70. Plenty to do. Maybe there's some you like, some you don't like. But you can see everything for yourself. If you are book through me, if you are asking for price or dates, we are working with an agency here. So they clean, they do all the extra work. We don't have the time if you're in Belgium, so we don't have the time. So if you are do it through me, I have to send a mail to them if there's availability and asking for the price, because they determine the price. You get a discount because you do it through me, so a Hair Buddha discount. You get the book already in PDF digitally just 2 weeks before, so you can already read the extras activities. So yeah, it's snorkeling, it's with a boat, everything. So really proud of that. So now we're going to do an extra store. I thought I would not visit the store today anymore, but we're going to do an extra store to hang up the extra canvas. It's practically ready. Oh wow, look what my wife did. Are you going to
Where are my kids?
are you asked for people for having dinner or something?
Yes, where are my kids?
Your kids? Look. Jeez. It was a productive day today. It was all productive days and it's all coming together. Finally, it was really hectic. So tomorrow, final steps, not much to do, I think, and enjoying. We'll see. We're going to clean that.
Now it's clean.
Now it's clear. So we move everything to take a picture already. Tomorrow we're going to film and take pictures and for website, for Instagram. Okay, I'm happy. So that tile is fossa. I explained it in another vlog. If you have seen it before the vlog, I'm sorry. But tile of fossa is the perimeter where the Roman camp was. There was a Roman military camp here in Villajoyosa, and where the tile is, that was the perimeter. If you can read the fossa, you are inside. If you can read it, you are outside. Really cool. I'm crazy about Roman times. If you are reached the age of 50, then you do this for shopping to the supermarket. If you buy water, Diet Coke or something else, beer, then you can bring a lot of stuff. That's the last one. We are finished for today. But look how nice. This is very beautiful, very sec, not screaming with colors, just really sec. I like it. We were so busy doing stuff in the apartment that we said, okay, now we're going to eat. And then we check and it's like already nearly 10 o'clock. In the summer you can eat until 11. So now if we go very quickly to the supermarket, it's open until 10. So that's the latest that we can enter, I hope.
If they don't have sandwiches or something, we take tapas.
Tapas.
South.
Yes.
Cheese.
Yes, but we cannot choose slowly. We have to
No.
choose fast. So time flies when you are working, but we are so happy. It comes all together. It's really nice. It's really what we're hoped for.
And even better. No?
Yes. It's very good. It's very nice. It's what we worked hard for. It all comes together quickly. A small bite. It's open very late, but it's open from 9 until 9:30, so that's really late, but we thought it was 10, so it's closed. There's a restaurant here on the corner. Last year we ate here. It was good. Not the same as we had the past days. There's still music playing, so maybe some tapas or burger. Or, I don't know. We ate burger this. Oh yeah, no burger. Let's see. Let's hope. We can eat here. There are still people eating here, so it's late and it smells really good. So let's see what they have.
Costa Blanca.
This is an appetizer that we get from the house. I don't know what it is. It looks like some kind of meat with cheese. Let's taste. Is that not a little bit of curry? It's green on the inside. It's good. Mm-hmm. So this is the restaurant is called Sabor. So it gets high points, 4.7 on Google, and it's not so trendy, but it's really like Italian feeling. Okay, my spaghetti and your pizza, huge pizza. Really, you can eat that? Nope. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.